Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make your own rosemary oil. It is a trending video now, and I noticed it's very expensive and it grows your hair really fast. And today I'm going to show you how to make yours at home. And you need just a fresh one or a dry one. I plucked this one yesterday and it's almost getting dry, but it is so good. So I am going to remove everything. Just cut them, just cut them. You don't need to remove anything. Those stick is also medicinal as well. So I'm going to remove everything, and then I'm going to add peppermint or peppermint leaf and olive oil to this. You can use extra virgin olive oil or even dry one. Because I'm using the fresh one, I'm going to use a very low heat to cook for 15 minutes, and I will not let it boil. So after 15 minutes it's out from the stove. I am going to cover it and then let it sit overnight. So after 24 hours I've brought them out and I'm going to sieve, making sure that the leaves will not enter the bowl. Now it is ready to use as usual. So what you do is to add a little bit of vitamin E oil, a drop is okay. If you're using the dry one, I don't think you should use it. It's optional. So I have added it, just turn, and then it's ready to use to grow those your hair that have refused to grow. You can as well add essential oil if you want, or you add castor oil. It will even help it grow faster. Now I'm going to put everything in the bottle and leave some in the jar, and grow your hair with rosemary oil. You don't need anything else. It grows your hair faster, gives it length, and stop those hair from getting thinner. Yeah, it will help your hair follicles as well. And this is how it comes out. And thank you for watching. Until I come your way next time. Bye bye.